Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke, where we talk about all things crypto. So in today's episode, I'm going to answer two comments that were left last Thursday, Friday, about two cryptocurrencies and their potential growth and potential price targets over the next bull run. XRP we will look at in just a second, but first we're going to take a look at this one, Power Ledger. So what is Power Ledger? Well, basically it's a blockchain for energy in a nutshell. If you want to know more information about this, you can check them out on their website. But the question that was asked to me was the potential price targets, looking at the past prices and analysing the next price targets during the next bull run. So if you want more information about Power Ledger, then go and check them out. You have a description in the About section, and also on CoinMarketCap they can tell you exactly what's what with Power Ledger. So jumping into and answering the question of the potential price targets with Power Ledger. Now, for me, when I analyze this, it's difficult to say, really, because when I see a cryptocurrency that does this, I always get a bit spooked and think that it's a pump and dump. And then I checked out their last couple of years, and again, we've just seen a huge dump. But I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. Why? Well, when this was released, it looks like at the back end of 2017, going into 2018, that was the peak of the bull run. And this is when everything, Bitcoin and the rest, collapsed, going into a major bear market. And again, on TradingView, because we only have history all the way back to November 2021, this was the peak of the last cycle going into 2022. So when I've looked at their website, analysed those 2 points, it looks like a legitimate company, something worth dollar cost averaging into, and they seem to have a large community on their social media. This is just Twitter as an example. So it's Power Ledger is an operating system for the new energy markets. You can check them out. So potential price targets, well, if we look at what I do like about this is the fact that it has a max supply and a total supply, which is always good, so that they don't make more and reduce the value of the token. Its market cap is sitting 175th at 140 million, so it's quite low. So it's one of those micro cap coins, and yeah, so just looking at this, we're down almost 90% from its $2. So I don't know too much about it, but if it's a legitimate company, then for sure during the bull run we will most likely go back to its last all-time high of $2. So my prediction then, because I don't know too much about it, would be the $2 mark. And if it's a legitimate company, then we'll probably shoot past the $2 mark and head a lot higher. You can find this on Binance and Coinbase, Kraken and other crypto exchanges. So just jumping back over into the charts, we are seeing, let me just go back. There we go. We are seeing a major pump of almost 100%. That's due to Bitcoin pumping. So it looks like it's got potential. Again, I don't know too much. I'm going to read more about them, look at Power Ledger in depth, and I'll keep my eyes out on this. But it looks like a legitimate company. I'm not saying it's not. And it's good that we've had this major pump along with Bitcoin. So let's see what it can do. But yeah, so if it is legitimate, we'll probably most likely go back to the $2. So that's what, a 10x from its breakout. So we'll see. what happens with this crypto token. So jumping over to XRP. So with XRP, I've got some crazy price predictions for you XRP lovers out there. So what am I seeing in the charts at the moment? So we are forming this channel here, or this, we're basically creating higher lows, which is always good. So over the last 1 year, we've made gradual improvements in the price. So I'm thinking around the $30 mark is probably the bottom of XRP. It has been suppressed due to the SEC trial, and back in the summer we did see this gigantic wick coming up almost 100% due to the fact that Ripple supposedly won a part of the law case, and then within 1 day, I remember it was on a Thursday, it went up almost 100%. It didn't complete, it hasn't won the law case, but if it does, it just shows the potential prices in the future. If this is, for me, just a small piece of news and it went up 100%, imagine when the SEC most likely loses the law case with Ripple. It's going to send shockwaves into XRP, the community, to new investors, and then we'll probably see a much bigger rise. I wouldn't be surprised to see 1,000%. I'm going to put it out there. If they win the law case, we'll probably see 1,000% increase. Not financial advice, it's just my opinion, and we go straight up to $5, because I think it's been suppressed over the last 2 to 3 years. We didn't really see the full potential in the last bull run. We didn't even touch the $2 mark. But I think if it wasn't for the SEC trial, then we probably would have gone all the way up to $5. So I've got a bag of XRP. It's always good to dollar cost average, especially if, or it's just a matter of time when the SEC gets off their back and they win the court case, and then we'll probably see new all-time highs sooner rather than later. So some of the price predictions, according to Crypto Potato, I really like this website. They're very good, objective and clear, and yeah, you get some really good market updates and good news articles. But this one is absolutely mental. We got some wild XRP predictions. It was Shannon Thorpe. She said that she can see XRP's price could increase to around $500 in the future. Shannon, I don't know what you're smoking, but I want some of it, because I mean $500 for one XRP, I don't think it's going to happen. If that happens, then I mean, well, anyway, you can save this video and laugh at me after if it goes to $500. It means that its market cap would go beyond Bitcoin. I mean, $500, especially with how many coins are out there for XRP, it is wild, and I don't see a $500 XRP ever happening. I mean, my price prediction would be, like I think I mentioned it before, between $10 to $15 for XRP. So this one is a bit more pragmatic. The potential target XRP price is $7. I agree more with that, but I still think it will go beyond $10, maybe touching $15 if it wins the law case. This was an interesting, again on Crypto Potato, we asked ChatGPT if Ripple's price will reach $10 in case of a victory against the US SEC. I know there's a big love for this AI, and so they asked ChatGPT what would happen. Again, like I said, the price has been compressed since 2020, so over the last 3 years, and it's true that the SEC looks like it will be losing their law case against XRP or Ripple, against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. So again, will this reach $10? Well, I think it will if the SEC drops their law case, and this would increase positive sentiment. It would restore trust within the XRP community with potential new investors and partnerships. Market sentiment will be sky high, and it will have a competitive landscape. So ChatGPT said, even if Ripple wins its case against the SEC, there could be other regulatory challenges in the future, both in the US and international. So we'll see what happens, but I believe that they will win. And when that happens, for all those bag holders out there, get ready for an explosive move to $5, and then during the bull market will probably go up to $10 to $15. I think that's being quite pragmatic, $10 to $15 for XRP. We'll have to wait and see to find out. But that's just my opinion only, not financial advice on those two cryptocurrencies. So I hope I've answered your question looking at Power Ledger and XRP. On Thursday morning, we will dive back into the top 40 and maybe 50 as well, altcoins that I will be dollar cost averaging or looking into, ready for the next bull run. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, a thumbs up, any other comments if I've missed something in the comments section below, and I will see you guys on Thursday morning.